Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify product feed setup for Google Merchant Center, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Shopify product feed setup for Google Merchant Center, start by logging into your Shopify account. In the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section found on the left sidebar. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button to explore available applications. Search for Google Channel in the search bar. Once you find the Google Channel app, click the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the Google Channel app on your store. After installation, you will be directed back to your Shopify dashboard. Locate and click on the Google Channel app in the Apps section. You will need to connect your Google account to the Google Channel app. Click the Connect Google Account button. Sign in with the Google account linked to your Google Merchant Center. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Shopify access to your Google account. Once connected, you will be prompted to select your Google Merchant Center account. Choose the correct Merchant Center account for your store. After selecting the account, proceed to the product feed setup. Shopify will then guide you through the required settings for your product feed. Ensure all your product data meets Google's product data specifications. Adjust any settings as needed, such as product categories and shipping information. Once you have completed all required fields, save your changes. Click on the Start Feed button to generate your product feed for Google Merchant Center. After generating, a confirmation message will appear confirming the setup is complete. Next, verify the product feed by checking the Products section in your Google Merchant Center. Ensure all your products are listed and the data is accurate. If required, troubleshoot any errors that may appear in Google Merchant Center. Your Shopify product feed is now successfully set up for Google Merchant Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.